I don't know how you would be able to run a fleet of our size on a spreadsheet. I'm sure there's companies doing it, but I think the software is imperative. We have 15 mechanics that work day and night. About 150 pieces of yellow iron, about 55 heavy trucks. We get telematics from most of our equipment. The information comes in every night. It's pretty seamless. It does drive our service programs in conjunction with the track field logs and the hour reporting. Scheduled services, your 500, 1,000 hour, 2,000 hour services. Maintain is a little bit easier to use and a little more user-friendly on the services. And the warranty part, to have it there that's easy to see for everybody, I think is huge in helping to make sure that we don't do warranty repairs when we shouldn't. Maintain has had a positive impact on our open work orders. I give a lot of that to the time card being linked to the work order. Really helps motivate people to do their work order. Mobile capabilities are essential for our mechanics. If a mechanic's out on a site, something breaks down, he has the ability to create a work order, order parts, and get it fixed. I use the dashboard weekly for sure. I also go in and run some custom reports weekly to keep tabs on where we're at with open work orders, services, preventive maintenance services. Key KPIs we use are downtime. We also look at timeliness of services. I look at some other metrics with mechanic hours versus equipment hours. Equipment costs are about 1/3 of our total costs between labor and materials. And so it's a well-documented fact that preventative maintenance is more effective and less costly than the other option of run till failure.